After formally launching the website of the conclave, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday said the maiden conclave will have participants from all over the country and beyond. It is being organized in collaboration with various state government departments apart from the Jal Shakti Ministry, he added. The Jal Shakti Minister is expected to attend the inaugural session of the conclave. A highlight of the conclave will be the Shillong Water Hackathon being organized in collaboration with the IIM Shillong. The participants are expected to share innovative ideas on tackling issues related to water and health.
Over the country who will be participating, as well as international participants who will also be coming and joining this particular International Water Conclave. This is being done in collaboration with different departments of the government of Meghalaya, including the Climate Council and the different water-related departments. And also, more importantly, we are collaborating and working jointly with the Jal Shakti Ministry, Government of India. And the Honorable Minister for Jal Shakti will also be attending this conference in the inaugural session, which will be held on February 9th, and the conclave will continue till February 10th.
Chief Minister